I would like to have the officers to stay here in front. Isa may mga officers sa atong watch na. So we have one and we have day for the evaluation. So yesterday we had evaluation. So during the morning we had evaluation from our department heads, our academic heads, and then in the afternoon we had the orientation in the students manual. And right now what we have is our orientation or the grad awareness seminar. So we thank our very supportive guests. They are actually making their crusade nationwide. Siguro kung tagaan pa sa nag-budget worldwide, willing to be sila. So we are very thankful to our guest speakers. Officers, you'll be the one to award the certificates to our speakers. By the way, the president for our newly founded, we revived the Junior Grad Watch of MNPC. So, to give you at least a short message, we have Cadet Ralph Manlapas, our president for our Junior Grad Watch. Please welcome our president. A warm round of applause.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. I'm Ralph Manlapas. I'm the president of the organization Junior Grad Watch. I would like to thank the team of Dr. Bernales. Kinsa mo gusto mo appeal sa inyo sa among organization, mag-posting ni o later diha sa bulletin board Fremont. Open lang yung gusto nyo ma-appeal sa among organization. That's all. Thank you for your time and thank you.
We will award the certificates for our So you have now the evaluation form, so okay, you rate us, okay, starting yesterday until now for the orientation and the grad awareness seminar. So safely this afternoon, you can go back to your classes because it will be a regular class na. So at award the certificates, we have our officers here, our president sa Junior Grad Watch, at pong officer si Reyes. Si Mausa Nawag na si Mausa. Okay, so part of the team of Dr. Bernales, we have one of our guests. We have Mr. Jarrell Camacho. A round of applause, please. Yes, stay lang sa gasol. And we also have Mr. Jen Dabelia. Wala na makagunit sa mong kamera, sir. Mr. Jose Vilizar. Mr. Victor is at work. Wala pa rin sa picture ni Captain Malagas ang magandang ibatas. Of course, one of our guest speakers, Mr. Perez. And of course, our main speaker for this morning, Dr. Danny I. Bernales. So, salamat kayo. For 4 semesters already. Upat na ka semesters. So, again, cadets, let's give our guests